Is past life regression therapy for real? Is it scary to go back there? Allow me to put you at ease with your past. So stay with me till the end. Past lives are for real, and past life regression therapy is even more real. Past life regression is based on the universal law of cause and effect. That is, for every choice that you make in life, there is a positive or a negative consequence, popularly known as the law of karma. A person's past life actions can continue to haunt their current life situations. Either these could be the past of the past life or the past of the current life. Past of the current life is something that is inner child work, which I have already discussed in my previous video. In this video, I will talk about past of the past lives that you have lived in before. These lives can continue to impact the mental state of your mind, the emotional conditioning, the physical health, and the spiritual well-being. The root causes of some of these mental, emotional, physical issues could be due to unfinished business, unfulfilled desires, thoughts, emotions, energies, even promises made in a previous life, last dying thoughts at the time of death, decisions, traumatic death experiences, so on and so forth. The list can go on and on because every case is unique. Now the question arises, where are all of these past life memories stored? Well, if you've been following me right from the beginning, you would know the answer. But yes, you're right. It's the subconscious mind, where all of these memories are stored, and they can be retrieved through the gentle process of a hypnotic trance state. Memories are stored in the subconscious mind in the form of thoughts, emotions, somatics, images, sounds, smell, taste, and they are exactly relived in the same manner. Different clients have different ways of perceiving their past life experiences. Some clients are very visual. That is, they would see images of past life experiences as if they are watching a movie. Some clients are kinesthetic. That means they will feel the physical sensations in the body. For example, if I regress a client who has been burnt at the time of death, they will continue to feel tremendous heat in their body. Some clients are auditory. That means they can hear distinct sounds. So if I regress a client that was a soldier in a past life, he or she would hear the distinct sounds of the warfare. Now another very important question may arise, that is the root cause of my particular illness similar to that of another client? The answer is yes and no. Here is why. Simply because the events that have happened with you in a previous lifetime may vary and are different from that of another client. It all depends on the memories that have been stored in the subconscious mind. Memories that are unique to you and pertaining only to you. Let me give you an example of the kind of clients that I get for asthma. One particular client of mine regressed to a life where they were drowning in the ocean, felt breathless, and died. Another particular client who came for the same issue of asthma was regressed into a life where they were caught up in a burning hut. They felt breathless, they were choked due to the high flames and smoke, and they died. So on and so forth, the root causes could be different. Somebody could have been died because they were suffocated by a pillow or due to hanging at the time of death. All you have to do is trust your subconscious mind and remain open to the process. Another very important question that I get asked is, are past lives always so sad and dramatic? Well, mostly yes, but that's not always true. Here is why. Apart from experiencing and releasing deep emotions, thoughts, traumas, unexplained physical aches, pains, fears, phobias, losses in finances, hurdles in careers, people also regress to happy lifetimes. Lifetimes in which they have developed qualities, traits, abilities, and creative talents. These could be lives of a dancer, a writer, a musician, a potter, an artist who paints, and also a great mathematician. There is a divine plan and a purpose for everything in life. Continue to honor your soul's contract for this present life, as well as the soul's contracts that you have with people around you. In order to book a session with me, you can go to my website, that is www.samanimtiaz.com, or you can drop me an email. All the details are in the video description below. You know the drill. subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more.